Let's talk about the key applications of augmented reality. Augmented reality, as we've introduced it, enhances the perception by overlaying virtual elements on physical products. Let's talk about the key applications. The first one is the functional and interactive training. Instead of asking operators to interface with very expensive equipment from the get-go with little to no experience, augmented reality offers them the opportunity to interact in a much more meaningful and easier way for their understanding and comprehension. A second key application is health monitoring. Wandering around in a manufacturing facility with smart glasses where you're looking at the different elements, conveyors, sensors, and you are capable of understanding the health of your different devices, their functionality and their throughput. A third one is quality control. Understanding how to see defects in the world of manufacturing and understanding how to overlay the inspection criteria on top of this recognized defect. And another key application would be the improved collaboration through multi-user interactions with the same virtual information. And those were the key applications of augmented reality.